I'm Brian DeLuca and this is eDesign It. Today we're talking all about the history of email. Email revolutionized the way we communicate, but when and how did it start? But before we discuss that, make sure you like and follow. Email's roots trace back to the 1960s with the internet's predecessor ARPANET. In 1971, Ray Tomlinson, a computer engineer, implemented the first true email system on ARPANET. Tomlinson's system allowed messages to be sent between users on host connections to ARPANET. And he was the one that chose to use the @ symbol to separate the user's ID with the host domain. That @ symbol has become standard for every email address that has ever been created. Throughout the 80s, email evolved beyond the military and academic origins. SMTP simplified the process of sending and receiving emails to different organizations. In the 90s, we saw email become an essential tool for individuals and businesses. We also saw the rise in services like AOL, Hotmail, and Yahoo Mail. Email remains a fundamental part of our digital communication, even though texting and messaging has really taken over some of its functionality. For more on technology, make sure you like and follow eDesign It.